Hi, welcome guys to this another video by Useful AI. Today, I'm gonna be showing to you guys on how to use Jira software and make your team works with ease. In this step-by-step guide. And if you like to know more about this software, then you wanna make sure to watch this video until the very end. So let's get started. So let me give you a quick info about this software. Jira software is an Atlassian account, like a Google account. When you log in into your Gmail account, you can also log in into YouTube, Google Docs, and Google Drive with the same account. And on the other hand, when you log in into Jira with your Atlassian account, you can also log in into any other Atlassian product like Trello, Bitbucket, and others. So now you can go to the atlassian.com/software/Jira/free. When you are here, you can have this Jira software, and as you can see that this product is available on a free plan. You will have there the following: supports up to 10 users or 3 agents, includes 2 gigabytes of storage, offers community support, always free and no credit card needed. Now when you focus on the right side, you will have there the two products that you can also use or you might be needed later on: this Confluence and the Jira Service Management. And if you like to try this too, and it's totally up to you. But for now, we want to focus on first with the software Jira. So without being said, let's get started. So simply select the next, and now you are here at the login page. So as I said before, if you have already an Atlassian account, you simply put your Atlassian email here and you're good to go. But if you don't, like in my case, you can just simply continue with Google. So I'm gonna connect my Gmail. Here, confirm your email address and your name. And if you're good with that, just simply select create your account. And right now, you're gonna need to register your actual website. So I'll just put this for example for the sake of this video and hit on the agree. And you are now on this asking questions page. So here it says that tell us a bit about yourself. So what type of team do you work in? So you can basically choose which category are you working with. If you can't see your category, here you just simply select other and write it down. Let's say I will choose marketing. Now, what is your role? So I will select on this role. And lastly, what is your main task? So I will select this right here. And I will hit on the save. And right now, your website will start on generating and making your new ID. And right now, you are here inside the Jira software. Now, before you get started, you're gonna need to create a name first for your project. And then select on create now. This is your actual website for your projects. Now, you have here the recommended template that you can use and it's totally free. You can also start on scratch or on select this option where you can have project management, go to market, campaign management, content management, event planning, email campaign, and etc. Now I already made a project with business template. As you can see, I am now inside the actual software. At the left side is your projects and you can view it all right here. And here is all the sections that you might have for your actual project. Here are the summary, board, list, calendar, timeline, forms, pages, issues, and reports. And when you look at the right side, you will see the quick start. As you can see, we are done with the creating or our own page or our own project. And next, you will have this get started with list. You can also check here on how to view dates on the calendar. Down here is the plan ahead with the timeline. After that, the collect information for your team with the forms. Next to it is the personalize your project. And lastly, the find, help, and give feedback. So in order to get started with your project, you want to go first to the board section and you will see here the to do, in progress, and done. And let's say I'm currently working on YouTube, which is quite obvious. Then you want to click on the create and I will put, for example, create a video for a software. And when you hit enter, it will transfer to a button. And when you click on there, and it will redirected you to a new page like this. And as you can see right here, it is a wider version of the one that you have in the board. Right here, you can do these options where I can attach a document. You can add a child issue and add a link issue. And here you can click on this three-dotted icon, and this allows you to add application to your projects. And when you click on there, you will see lots of application that you can possibly use, depending on the actual needs of the said project. So this app will give a distinctive support for you and for your team. Let's say, for example, you need a file that is in the Google Drive. What you can actually do is to search for the Google Drive, and this will give you the result. And when you click on there, you can actually store it right here. And let's say you don't want to install this Google Drive app since it's not totally free, but if you can find other app that will help you with the necessary tasks and it's free, you go ahead and download it. Now in the activity, you can have this comments, history, and work log. Let's say I will write a random stuff. There you go. As you can see, I have these comments here. So if you put some data with this kind of team project, then everyone in the team will see all the data that has been shared. So if ever you want to add some people to the team, you can just simply go back to it and click on the team. First, you can invite people to join Jira. That's the first thing you can do. And the second thing is to create a team and invite them. Next thing that I want to highlight is the reports. So here you can see all the elements in the issue analysis, forecast management, and other. Average age report shows the average age of unresolved issues for a project or filter. This tool will help you to see whether your backlog is being kept up to date. And when you click on there, you will see this configure average report. Here you can select the actual length period represented on the graph and the days to show in the graph. And when you click on the next, and if you already set the actual age report, and you will be seeing the graph here, and you can analyze from your actual task. So when you hit again to the summary, you can see here the overview, recent activity, priority background, types of work, team workload, and related projects. And lastly is the shortcuts. Here you can add your favorites website and apps to view them alongside with your project. For example, you can put Instagram.com and here put the name of that website and click add. And as you can see, it is already been added. So yeah, that's a quick tour on how to actually use this project management software, which is Jira. You can look and go around with it for a wider and better understanding for all the features and tools. And if you like more of this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and I will see you next time. Have a nice day.